Okay, good morning. This is 4F1 KJA and going to video the antenna of DU1 Echo Victor Old Man Ed as for the LFA 6-meter band antenna. Okay, so I'm using my Yaesu 8900R. Okay, and first time to power on this radio since I bought it 3 years ago. Okay, so it was tuned to 50.11 megahertz as per request of Old Man Ed DU1 Echo Victor. Okay, so here's the mic. So I'm going to give you that this will be on a high power settings. Okay, so it was on a high power setting. So right now it was connected into the SWR. Okay, so here's the pattern. Here's the cable. Okay, so see, I just put some black umbrella and towel. Okay, so that there will be a clear format in the SWR. So here's it. So I'm going to hold the mic, set it to calibrate. Okay, so it was set to calibrate, and then going to switch to SWR. So see, we will zoom it for the meantime. So there will be, you can see, for a simple deflection. Okay, minimal deflection. See, again going to switch it to calibrate. Okay, little adjustment. Okay, lagpas na ng konti. Then see for the SWR. So still perfect in the SWR. So this was connected into a, we'll trace the cable. Use it going to the umbrella from the antenna, cable, see, going to that portion, going to the antenna. As for the physical appearance of the antenna, this is the loop, the antenna. See the difference from the first one. It's from the first one I made is too small, but this is big for as the real 6-meter band antenna. This is the right measurement of this LFA antenna than to the first one that was indicated from the website of Golf Sierra Oscar. Oh, again, Golf Oscar Kilo Sierra Charlie. It was too short from the indicated on the website. So as you can see, we have a different matching on this part. I just changed the matching, it equivalent to this format. So this is the materials. Look, the spacing. Important thing is the spacing and the coil. So the secret of this matching from the cable matching, okay, you have to know the exact formula and calculation, but you have to use the software of 4 November Echo Charlie 2 software or the Yagi CAD Max, Yagi CAD antenna version 6. So you can convert that cable matcher into that format. Okay, so right now it was on a 1 2 3 4 and 5 element. The rest of the antenna should be on here, so we'll just have to put the 3 element, the other 3. Okay, and the orange type, that will be the inner part of the boom, center feeding of the boom. So well, the most important thing here is this one. We have already calibrated, then this is ready for delivery, and we can assemble this to the station of DU1 Echo Victor. So we will be the one to assemble this one on his station. So here's the complete view of the antenna. This is the half view. Okay, the rest of the view will be to follow on the station of DU1 Echo Bravo. So 73, this is 4F1 KJA signing off.